Today I'm gonna be showing you how to check if your 3 series machine tank filters are still good. What you're gonna need is gonna be a dipstick or some sort of metal rod that's about, I'm gonna say 12 inches, in order for you to check, and then some sort of paper towel, because the filter you're gonna remove it. It may drip from the bottom, so you might to use to catch it. Okay, so like I said, this works for the 3 series machines, 3C Pro, Studio, Lab, and the new one, Max. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just open up the cover. Okay, you got your stick. You open up the filter that you want to check. You dip it, and then you measure it. It's about ½ an inch. And then what you do next is you take the filter out. Like I said, careful, only use a napkin or paper towel. And then you dip it again. And that also is ½ an inch. ½ an inch with the filter, ½ an inch without the filter. So that means that your filter is still good. You will know when your filter is bad or that needs to be replaced is when the measurement with the filter is 0.5 and the measurement without the filter is, I'm gonna say, 0.2 inches or 0.1 inch. You close everything back together again, and you'll be good to go. Thank you.